Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jongpi.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kalkantha ting e jingda rabjat jong Menteri Rangba Kajala Assam uhimanta Biswa Sarma ubalakantaj ba Jingtip halor ko hukum bala Pynmih da katanat Pulit jong Sorkar Assam kabala batha ban lum jikhen ye jingte ye jing mani bathamai bat ka jingdon jong gibriyo gi basha penkala syakanyam kristan ha Kajala Assam hakabaya dei bakani unong aktien jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Roni Vilingdo Hakajing keren bikilat patai kubur. Hak sautri ukulaling kot arjar arpulai ulong balada uhimanta Biswa Sarma ulen ba Jingtip kapen pau syai ba kum unong sinsyar Hakajala Assam satya ya jingkit kli ya ka kabagatnat Pulit kale Khlem ka hukum jong ka Sorkar.
If the officers can do whatever they like without the knowledge of the executive, the government, it only shows then that the Chief Minister of Assam is not responsible, not acting responsibly, which is not possible at all that he escapes his knowledge. No officer would dare go against the government on such kind of activities. So this only indicates where the BJP is ruling, minorities, religious or minorities are not safe. Now, are we living in a secular country or are we living in a theocratic country? So all this indicates we are living in a theocratic country where this is no longer secular.
How can the Chief Minister or the DG of Assam will come out that they don't know anything about this letter? Can that be accepted? No. You see, who is SP? SP is such a responsible person that has been entrusted to look after the law and order and that particular thing. Am I correct? Number one. Number two, if that letter has come from him, do you think that he will be such a fool as SP to issue a letter without the blessing of the DG and without the knowledge of the Chief Minister? You see? So you cannot deny on this. That all has been known by the top authority. So just to deny that DG doesn't know anything and the Chief Minister doesn't know anything about that letter, that is very wrong. You cannot hide any more about that. You see?
Okay, to supplement what you were saying, if that is the case, then we would request the Chief Minister of Assam to take stern action against all those SPs responsible.
Yes.
If it has been done without his knowledge,
yes,
then take action to prove that yes, I'm not aware of it. It has been done without his knowledge, without the state government's knowledge, without the DG's knowledge. Take action.
Correct.
And put it in the public domain so that we will, take your word, take you for your word for what you've said. Otherwise, if you do not take any action against all those people who have issued those letters, it only indicates there is, proof that the state government is doing this.
Yes.
BJP rules states. Religious minorities, tribals bear the brunt of their, their polarization. Now, if the people of Meghalaya are so stupid to vote BJP, then you will have only, I don't know what to say, you will only have, what's the right word for it? That you have accepted all these attacks on minorities. And I believe the people of Meghalaya are going to reject this party because we want to live peacefully with all our Indian citizens who are in Meghalaya. Let us coexist. Let us live in harmony. Let us work towards progress. Meghalaya needs so much to be done. You take it in infrastructure, you take in employment opportunities, you take in healthcare, you take in education, you talk in every sense. We need that. We don't need to polarize. Now you don't need to be in power to polarize the people. Now if you really take up real developmental activities going, the people are going to vote you. So we would appeal to the people of Meghalaya. You see now, we're talking about BJP. I think all other parties, be it NPP, be it other parties, are part and parcel of the NDA alliance. NPP is a partner of the NDA. Other regional parties are partner of NEDA. So they are complicit in all this that is happening all over the country, including our country. They are complicit. They will be responsible for all the actions that is being perpetrated on the minorities. They cannot escape.
They cannot escape.
But for 5 years they've been working together. Now you cannot say, no, you're complicit. Maybe not directly, but by being part of this government, MDA, you are all complicit. And if atrocities have been perpetrated on our minorities, they are also equally responsible. They cannot escape responsibility.